Hi there, welcome to Inbound Tutorials. I am Lou and am excited to walk you through how expert content can help improve your content creation strategy through different stages of the buyer's journey and inbound strategy. To understand the stages of the buyer's journey and inbound methodology, please refer to our previous videos. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Expert content can be incredibly valuable in the inbound methodology, which involves attracting and engaging potential customers by providing them with useful and relevant content. To truly engage your target audience and build your brand's authority, you need expert content. Expert content is content that showcases your expertise and provides valuable information to your target audience. Here's how to use expert content in the inbound methodology to attract, convert, close, and delight potential and current customers. Attract stage. Use expert content to attract potential customers. The first step in the inbound methodology is attracting potential customers to your website. To do this, you need to create content that addresses your target audience's pain points and interests. But to stand out from the competition, you also need to showcase your expertise. Here are some types of expert content that can help you attract potential customers. Blog posts. Create blog posts that demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in your industry. Share tips, insights, and best practices that your target audience will find useful. Infographics. Use infographics to visually communicate complex information and showcase your expertise. Infographics are highly shareable and can help you reach a wider audience. Videos. Create videos that demonstrate your expertise and provide value to your target audience. You could create how-to videos, tutorials, or even vlogs that give viewers an inside look at your industry. Convert stage. Use expert content to convert website visitors into leads. Once you've attracted potential customers to your website, the next step is to convert them into leads. To do this, you need to offer them something of value in exchange for their contact information. Here are some types of expert content that can help you convert website visitors into leads. Ebooks. Create ebooks that provide in-depth information on a specific topic that your target audience is interested in. Your ebook should showcase your expertise and offer real value to your potential customers. White papers. White papers are similar to ebooks, but they are more focused on research and data analysis. Use white papers to demonstrate your expertise in your industry and provide valuable insights to your target audience. Webinars. Host webinars that provide in-depth information on a specific topic. Webinars are a great way to showcase your expertise and engage with your target audience in real time. Close stage. Use expert content to close leads into customers. Once you've converted website visitors into leads, the next step is to close them into customers. To do this, you need to provide them with content that demonstrates the value of your products or services and helps them make a purchasing decision. Here are some types of expert content that can help you close leads into customers. Case studies. Use case studies to showcase your expertise and demonstrate the value of your products or services. Share real-life examples of how your products or services have helped other customers achieve their goals. Customer success stories. Share customer success stories that demonstrate the value of your products or services. Use these stories to show how your products or services have helped real people achieve real results. Demos. Offer demos that give potential customers a hands-on experience with your products or services. Use demos to showcase the unique features and benefits of your products or services and help potential customers make a purchasing decision. Delight stage. Use expert content to keep customers engaged and satisfied. Finally, once you've closed leads into customers, the next step is to keep them engaged and satisfied. To do this, you need to provide them with ongoing value and support. Here are some types of expert content that can help you delight your customers. Newsletters. Use newsletters to share updates, tips, and insights with your customers. Your newsletters should provide real value and demonstrate your ongoing expertise in your industry. Tutorials. Create tutorials that help your customers get the most out of your products or services. Use tutorials to showcase your expertise on your product or service competence in the industry. In each stage, it's important to use expert content that is tailored to your target audience's needs and interests, and that demonstrates your expertise and authority in your industry. By providing valuable content at every stage of the inbound methodology, you can build trust and credibility with potential and current customers and drive more conversions and revenue for your business. I hope you use expert content to develop engaging content to your expertise within your industry by creating content strategies for effectively attracting, converting, closing, and delighting customers. I am Lou with Optimeg Consulting, your premier inbound marketing strategy authority. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.